Did you know you can choose someone to access your Apple account in case something happens to you? Apple allows you to add a legacy contact, giving a trusted person access to your account data when needed. You can add one or more legacy contacts directly from your iPhone 17. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple account. Next, tap Sign In and Security. Scroll down and tap Legacy Contact. Tap Add Legacy Contact, then follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to authenticate using Face ID or your passcode to continue. Choose your preferred contact, then tap Continue. Choose how to share your access key. You can send it through iMessage or print a copy. For this guide, let's choose iMessage, so tap Send an iMessage, then tap Send. On the next screen, tap Done. After completing the steps, the person you selected will receive access information, and you'll get an email confirmation that a legacy contact has been added. If you want to add more legacy contact, tap Add Legacy Contact, then tap Add Legacy Contact. Enter your Face ID or passcode when prompted, then select the contact you'd like to add. Tap Continue, then select how you want to share your access key. Again, you can send it through iMessage or print a copy. If you prefer the latter method, you need to set the printer and everything up before printing the document. To make things faster, just pick iMessage. If you ever want to remove a legacy contact, you can do that anytime. Just return to the Legacy Contacts menu, then tap the contact you'd like to remove. Next, tap Remove Contact, then tap Remove Contact from the pop-up window to confirm. The contact will then be removed from the legacy contact list. They won't receive a notification of the removal, but the access key previously issued to them will no longer work. And that's it. If this video helped you better manage your Apple account security on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos for more useful tips you can use every day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides like this.